I was standing here with the governor on March 8th with bulldozers behind us. 400,000 square feet. Pretty astonishing.
This today, this great factory cements the capital region as one of the nation's and even one of the world's centers for fuel cell manufacturing.
So the potential for fuel cell technology is limitless. This is the foundation of what the people here in factories like this all across New York are building. So this is the foundation, this is the vision, this is the innovation that is leading us into a different future. This 400,000 square foot expansion will mean we can produce even more green energy.
It really takes so many people to come to the table. And it's about the workers in this room. They said they would deliver, they would make it on time, and they did.
So to all your employees, all the workers, all the true believers, all the environmentalists, all the individuals who give a damn about the future, we're here to say we do care. We're making a difference. It's happening in places like Plug Power.
The futures never look bright, never look bright. And I think it's because that future is being powered by Plug.